Hey, Seth here, and today we're going to check out our Bataan, the fanny pack that is as colorful as it is convenient. We designed this handy little hip hugger to have that just right amount of space, creating a magical 3-liter unicorn that keeps everything you need, literally, within arm's reach. It has a main zip compartment and 2 internal mesh pockets, making it great for storing phones, sunglasses, keys, lip balm, a banana, a llama finger puppet, and a harmonica. Also, the built-in strap and buckle combo is fully adjustable for a variety of carrying styles. Wear it on the front, the side, above the bum, or over the shoulder. Again, the sky's the limit with the Bataan. No one tells you what to do. This cute little gem is part of our Del Dia collection, which means it's made with remnant materials by employees who have total control over its final look. In other words, each fanny pack is one of a kind. Hey.
This is the LifeStraw Go. It can go here, 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 every day and on your favorite adventures. You can fill it up with water from here, here, or here, and filter it on the go. Drinking water straight from these sources sounds risky. It's not. We've taken similar technology that we use to provide safe drinking water to millions here and just put it here. The LifeStraw Go is available in 22-ounce and 1-liter sizes. With this technology, water passes through a membrane microfilter with microscopic pores that trap bacteria, parasites, and microplastics. Then, an activated carbon filter absorbs chemicals like chlorine, herbicides, and pesticides for improved taste. The membrane microfilter lasts up to 1,000 gallons, and the activated carbon filter lasts up to 26 gallons. So the detachable, replaceable filters allow you to use your bottle indefinitely. Carabiner included. This lightweight, durable, BPA-free Triton Classic bottle is the only bottle you'll need when you're on the go. Your purchase has impact. For every LifeStraw product purchased, a child in need receives safe water for an entire school year. Everyone needs safe water. Stay safe. Pack a LifeStraw.
There appears to be an event happening. It's some kind of movement. They don't slip. They don't bounce. They're all polarized and all hipster.
I look really good in these.
It's gooder, honey.
Designed to fit the needs of outdoor enthusiasts and climbers, the Rock Jumper is a lightweight, mid-sized folding knife that's born to perform. Its broad VG10 stainless steel blade has a full flat grind for optimal edge geometry and a full-length, perfectly straight cutting edge. Designed for unfailing reliability under pressure, its Wharncliffe profile offers everything from extreme cutting power to scalpel-like precision. The knife's hand-filling handle is constructed with skeletonized stainless steel liners, fiberglass reinforced nylon scales, and a stout backlock mechanism with a strong self-close function. Its bidirectional texture pattern ensures a secure non-slip grip, while a 4-position hourglass clip and oversized lanyard hole offer a full range of carry positions. Together with the knife's other symmetrical features, they make every aspect of the Rock Jumper's carry and operation completely ambidextrous.
Hi, I'm Brendan Perkins, Lighting Category Director at Black Diamond, and this is the Storm 400 headlamp. With a super robust, fully waterproof housing and an amazing feature set with high lumen output, the Storm is a premium headlamp that's ready for any big adventure. I'll walk you through the features on the Storm 400, starting with the 3 lenses that were specifically designed to meet a wide variety of lighting needs. The main distance beam was optimized for active situations and throws light up to 100 meters on a high. The second beam is our proximity beam, which provides a wide diffuse light output and is perfect for time spent around camp and while reading. Our third beam includes a multicolor LED for times when preserving your night vision is necessary and enables you to select either red, green, or blue, depending upon your specific night vision preferences. The Storm headlamp utilizes brightness memory to come on in your previously selected mode and brightness setting. To turn on, press the large main button on the top of the headlamp once. Our 6-setting 3 LED battery meter, located on the side of the front housing, indicates the level of battery life remaining. You can brighten and dim the light within any mode by holding down the main button. Release when your desired level of brightness is reached. If you want maximum brightness at any point, just tap the right side of your headlamp to engage Power Tap. To easily switch between your multiple lens options, we've added a secondary mode selector button. To switch between the red, green, and blue LEDs, hold down the mode selector button, and the headlamp will cycle through each option. In order to use the strobe option at any point, double-click the main button, and whatever mode you are in will strobe. While in strobe mode, you can utilize Power Tap to access an SOS feature. Powered by 4 AAA cells, the Storm can run off the included alkaline batteries or can utilize rechargeable nickel metal hydride or lithium batteries as well. Our digital lockout feature safeguards against accidental use when stored in a pack or pocket. To lock your headlamp while it's off, hold down both buttons for 3 seconds. To unlock, hold down both buttons again for 3 seconds. With our most robust, fully submersible waterproof rating of IP67, each Storm headlamp is individually tested to ensure waterproofness in operation at 1 meter depth for 30 minutes. With multiple woven elastic headband options available, you'll be sure to find the perfect pattern and color combo to fit your style. As you can see, the Storm is an amazingly versatile headlamp with a robust waterproof construction, high lumen output, and intuitive user interface.